And here's our backyard, March 6th, 2008. And here come the dogs. Here's Athena. Of course Daisy stops. And there goes Athena. Goes through the slush. Uh-oh.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, what are you checking? This is the only time we can win against her. She's got these white splotches on her back and she doesn't know why. Oh, she's digging. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? And then there's Daisy. Daisy went in the snow. Daisy's in the snow. Yay! Daisy has to pee real bad, obviously. Either that or she has to, Good girl, Daisy. As you can see, Athena likes the snow. Shivering. Daisy's trying to figure out where she can go pee. Athena, you can go pee too, you know. Oh, there we go. It's official.
Yellow snow.
Yellow snow in our backyard.
Maybe you'll bolt right for us.
Yeah, good girl, Daisy Bear. Daisy's still peeing. Yay!